Brandon from All American Thrills here. We're at Knoebels today, where construction has started on their 6th roller coaster, Impulse. You can see the side right next to me. If we walk over here, you can see bumper boats have been removed, as well as the boat tags. Construction is about a week underway, and they've already done quite a lot. Alright everyone, so that wraps up our first Impulse update. Make sure you check back to our website, allamericanthrills.com, where we'll have more videos and pictures, and also on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to us over there for alt-air footage this winter. We're going to be back here for our second Impulse update during their annual Fall Fun Fest event, so make sure you keep tuned for that. Thanks for watching. See you everyone!